You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. Today's episode is essential if you're planning your move to Portugal, because we're going to discuss the logistics of moving overseas and how SDC International Shipping ensures a smooth and stress-free transition. From packing to shipping and custom clearance, we've got you covered. Moving internationally requires careful planning and partnering with an experienced global moving company. SDC International Shipping specializes in handling every aspect of the relocation process. So let's dive in to what you need to know about moving to Portugal. Planning your move. Creating a moving plan is crucial before you start packing. International moves take time and coordination, and SDC helps streamline the process. First, set up a moving timeline. Start planning at least 3 to 6 months. Obtain important documents like visa and residency permits. Notify relevant authorities and update your address. Book your shipment with SDC to secure the best shipping dates. Next, you need to choose the right shipping option. Here's 3. First, full container load, or an FLC, which is ideal for families moving with a large volume of household goods. Shared container load, or an LCL, is cost-effective for smaller shipments. And air freight. This is best for urgent shipments with a shorter transit time. Now it's time to pack and prepare your belongings. Packing for an international move requires extra care to ensure your items arrive safely. Here's a few packing tips. Use high-quality packing material to prevent damage. Label all boxes clearly for easy identification. Separate fragile and valuable items for special handling. And create an inventory list to track all shipping items. There's professional packing services by SDC. SDC offers professional packing and crating service to protect your belongings during transit. Here's what our services include. Custom crating for fragile, high-volume items like artwork, antiques, and electronics. Furniture disassembly and protection for secure transport. And eco-friendly and durable packing materials. Now, it's important to understand custom regulations and documentation. Custom clearance is a vital part of the international shipping, and SDC assists with all necessary paperwork. This will avoid delays and ensure compliance with Portuguese import laws. Here's a few documents you need: valid passport and visa, bill of landing or airway bill, inventory list of household goods, residency or work permit, and taxpayer identification number, or an NIF. Now, there are some restricted and prohibited items. Portugal has specific regulations on what you can and cannot import. Some of the restricted items include firearms and ammunition, certain medications, endangered species products, and large quantities of alcohol or tobacco. Moving to Portugal is an exciting adventure. With the right planning and support, it can be stress-free. At SDC International Shipping, we handle everything from packing and transportation to custom clearance, making your move smooth and efficient. If you're ready to start your journey, contact us today for a free consultation and customized moving plan. Thanks for tuning in. Join us next time as we explore Portugal's residency and visa options to help you easily settle in. Until next time, happy moving.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.